If you're wondering if there's a secure folder available for Samsung Galaxy A05, we can browse through the settings where usually you'll be able to find them. And here in the settings, go for security and privacy, and then we can check all of the options if there's the secure folder somewhere right here. So first we can go for app security. There's nothing mentioning secure folder. Then there's the updates, also nothing. Then there's more security settings, and we can't find anything about secure folder right here as well. Then there's the permissions manager, but there wouldn't be anything about secure folder right there as well. Additional privacy control, nothing. And finally, more privacy settings. And there's also nothing about secure folder right here, which would confirm that this device doesn't have it.